Because my husband is been brutally abused me lately. Tommy cooking show.
Stop. Good morning, Philippines.
Good morning, Han. Kain tayo dito, guys. Yung kakainin natin is yung binigay ni Mera. Binigay ni Mera na ano, yung bacon coffee. Oh, yung wifi pala ng kapatid ko, guys, is ando na. Meron na silang wifi. Yung suot ko, guys. Ang daming poison ivy na sa katawan ko. Yung daming poison ivy. Sabi niya. Wala ko lutong. Sticky. Yung tamimoy ko, sabi ko, punta ka dito. Yung arthritis ko, guys, umatake.
You not eat it, then you can't have it.
I'm going to water the plant, guys, the vegetables. Hindi pa tayo naliligo. Ito pa rin yun natin. Good morning, everything! Good morning, everything.
Morning, guys.
Everything.
Morning, everything.
Galit. Are you mad? Are you sound mad, Galit?
But I said it was not good enough.
Okay, guys, I'm going outside. Kasi today, Tommy said, it's gonna be 98 degree. I don't know how true is that, but almost 100. Natin ito. Oops. Detail. Ito yun. Kalimutan ko yung chinelas ko dito, guys. It's right here. Guys, I don't know. Tommy said it's not a caterpillar, pero I think it's a caterpillar. Look. Look. Did you see that green thing? That green. That green with the white shit around it. Don't touch it, huh? Hey, you step on my freaking thing.
That's not a caterpillar.
Is that a bug?
That's a tomato bug.
That's a big one.
Yeah. But they'll eat every tomato on your plant.
How can I get rid of it? That's itchy thing.
Take it off and squish it.
Squish it. Ang dami kasing tomato dito. Oh, look. Ang dami, look. Ang daming tomato, guys. As in, ang saya nila, di ba? Marami pa dun sa loob. Diyan, dun pa sa baba. Ang dami, look. Ang dami talaga. Ito siya yung pinakamaraming bunga talaga. Ito siya. And naka-harvest na naman tayo, no? Look, and look, I harvest again, look.
Yeah.
And there's more over there. Can you do it for me? Oh, be careful, ha? Don't squish it over there. Just throw it somewhere.
I don't care where I squish it.
Oh, God. That will jump. Oh, my God, he's holding.
What the heck?
Oh, honey.
Oh, go ahead, sucker.
Hala, you cut it half?
No, I'll cut it from the plant.
No, there is a tomato there. Hala. No, you killed the tomato.
Oh.
Honey.
You don't want to let go.
Ay, naku. You killed the tomato. Done. Don't let Roxy eat that. Aww. Tommy did. You did cut it in half. Oh God.
You only saw them because we all had all the white around.
Yeah.
Otherwise, they
No, don't smoke over there. You know what guys, every morning na lang akong nakapag-harvest kasi meron tayong ma-harvest. Kahapon kaka-harvest ko lang. Ito dapat pinalaki ko pa oh. Itong iba. Ito sa labas ito galing. What, you're done?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, then I'm gonna cut. So, katatapos ko lang nag-cut ng grass sa labas. And, si Tammy yung nag-continue kasi ako sa front, sa gilid, sa likuran. So, ang hindi ko tinapos is yung andito sa sa loob ng fence. Ang kati. Yung naawa ako sa machine, sobrang init. Saka ang init sa labas. I don't know what is the temperature. Maybe 90 some. Maganda naman yung grass sa labas. Ipakita ko sa inyo. Green siya. Na naging okay siya. Maganda kasi nag-green na siya. May spot pa lang siya. Yung parang may spot na walang grass. Pero konti lang. Mostly naman, okay naman yun sa Yes, tapos na ako doon. Yung legs ko ba? Ay, naku, sabi ko, patay kang bata ka. Hello.
I dropped it off and put it on the table on the deck. So make them give you a vodka juice or some sort. Now you're talking. I said, you want one? I'll bring you one. Nah.
Ah, really? So, hinatiran, binigyan lang ni Tammy guys yung kapitbahay ng yung Spanish rice niya, taraw. Okay, tapos na ako ditong nag-cut kanina. Look, mag-green-green na siya, diba? Nakapula si Tammy. Pula.
No shirt pocket.
Ah, you buy it and there's no shirt pocket. Why you buy it then?
Because sometimes you don't pay attention.
Ah. Lately, he is so mean to me, like I
I
can't
touched
believe
you with the hand that wasn't touching the chicken.
I can't believe it. It's like, you know, chicken is dirty, and he just rub it to my skin.
I did not. Tell the truth. Tell the truth to people.
So
Stop
what-
lying to everybody. Oh my God.
You did you rub me?
Yes. Did I
Okay.
rub you with the hand that was touching the
Yes,
chicken?
you
Or
touched
the
the-
hand that was holding the knife?
The bag. You hold the bag, the dirty bag.
On the outside. No, I didn't touch the chicken at all.
What are you making?
Chicken franchise.
I'm getting younger. I'm going to drink beer, guys, because my husband has been brutally abused me lately. I have to drink beer because I wanna do it
Drink
too.
to forget.
No, to brutally do to you too tonight. Honey, tonight you will be like brutally.
You drink to forget. You forget who she is. You forget who you are.
Yeah. Ito yung chicken nila dito, guys. Our chicken over there in the Philippines is fresh and nice. This one is blah. Okay, that's it. Leave it for a while. It's cold enough. This video is dedicated to my husband cooking some chicken, whatever that.
Whatever. Chicken, whatever.
So now he is confused what he's thinking. He is kind of hungry. He's looking for food. So he's looking, do I have to get food? Do I have to get some seasoning? What kind of food do I need? Oh, let me think. Let me think.
People like that cackle you laugh.
Guys, then my husband doesn't like my laugh, guys. I know. This is how I love, hon. What do you
Wizard
want?
of Oz, guys. Wizard of Oz.
He covered the refrigerator and closed it. And now he's gonna mix it again and mix it again. And while he's mixing it, he's thinking what he's going to eat for snacks. He's thinking to make some hot dogs.
Yeah.
He's walking back and forth. Now our refrigerator is been opening up a lot. So now we have a big bill of electric because he opened the refrigerator all the time. And now he wants egg. And he's using my egg, my pinky egg.
Those are not yours. You like the brown eggs.
And this is how he's gonna do, guys. Can you tell them again, chicken franchise? Franchise?
Chicken franchise.
Chicken franchise. Si franchise is over somewhere. Gidukduk gidakdak ni Dodong Tami ang bola. Nagbasketball na si Dodong. Open na naman. Ino-open na naman niya. Nilalagyan ng creamer.
There in the meantime?
Creamer is not good with that. And now what is next? I don't know what he's going to do next. And breadcrumbs. I don't know why there's breadcrumbs.
Could you mix it in here?
Oh, you don't mix it properly. It's right here. Oh, the breadcrumbs. Oh, this content, guys, is dedicated on Tommy's kitchen work, kitchen talent. He has a talent of fixing the car and fixing the refrigerator, and he has a talent of cooking and pouring everything that he can see. That's who he is. There's no measurement. He just keep pouring, and then after pouring it, he's cooking it, and it's ready to eat. After you eat, you taste it. You said, I don't taste the chicken. I taste the seasoning. So he's adding some garlic in the oil. That's where he fry his thing. It's not good double, Han.
Yes.
No, it's not good. I'm telling you, Han.
It is.
I don't like double. It's too much coating. You don't have chicken anymore.
You've got plenty of chicken.
Han, can you put it closer to your face and have a goofy face for thumbnail? Like this, Han. Excited.
I already have a goofy
No, excited. Han, like this, Han. It's not about that. It need to be cut for thumbnail, for picture. Guys, don't tell me, don't comment bad thing about me that I don't do nothing. I do stuff. It's just my husband love to cook, like complicate everything. That's his expertise. Guys, we're gonna make a channel, Tommy's cooking show.
Yeah, I don't think that would go very far.
And can we make a channel, Han? Every time you cook, I film. Guys, are you going to watch or what? Comment down below, guys, if Tommy will make his own channel, Tommy's cooking show. Okay, this is okay, guys. Let Tommy know, guys. I will let Tommy read the comment, guys. So please comment down below English, guys, that he will understand. Please comment in English if Tommy deserve Tommy cooking show.
Stop.
They will see something, okay? Please comment, guys. Don't listen to him. So every time I cook, I will film him and I will edit it for him. And he need to just, I will show you what he does in the kitchen. And it's kind of scary. Okay, he put the chicken. We load the guys, kaya hindi siya.
Yeah, it wasn't supposed to be lowered.
Yeah, so that's how I do. He put it over here with the garlic flavored oil. He brown the other side, and put it in the dish, microwavable. you know, oven. And then he seasoned it with lemon, right?
And white wine.
And white wine. And after that, it's not brown yet.
Because you let the oil get cold, so now I gotta turn it so it doesn't like all the breading will fall off of it.
Not brown yet. And guys, gumawa ako ng cucumber salad. This is good if you have if you mix this, you put a kinilaw here. You mix kinilaw with cucumber and this. Oh my god, and a lot of calamansi. Oh gee. So explain what you're doing now.
Heating up butter.
Huh?
Heating up butter.
Pinot Grigio white wine. Ito yung wine na ilalagay niya. You know what he just told me? Go away. You're on my way. You reminds me of mom. You're always on my way. Don't bother me when I'm cooking. Don't even come here in the kitchen. Go please somewhere else or else I will kick you.
Because just like her, you will sit over there all day long. And the minute I'm working here, you want to stand here.
Mom, that's not like that.
She did the same thing.
No, she sit. She's in the kitchen. She sit down.
And then she would get up and try and like do stuff if I was doing stuff.
Me, I'm here because I'm filming you.
No, you're also here watching violin lessons.
Seriously, honey.
Seriously?
That was before I show it to you.
Same.
Butter, wine, drunk chicken franchise. Okay, now that's the title. Tommy is making the chicken drunk and chicken broth. Not so much limoni. It's not gonna be good. Good husband, good husband, good husband, good, good husband, good. So, ito na siya guys. Nilagay niya dito. And then, nilagay na din niya yung sauce. Yung buong chicken is andito na. Yun na siya guys. Si Tami nandun sa labas. So, ako na lang yung naglagay. 350 degree daw yung ano. So, yun. Pabayaan lang dyan magluto. Pabayaan lang siya. And yun. 5:37 ng hapon. And yun, pakainin ko na tong mga alaga ko guys kasi gutom na ito. So, gumawa yung asawa ko ng plating.
Right. And I don't know if you got any, first of all, I don't know if each of us, as we know, they're so high in sugar. And Claire likes pineapple, but I gotta stay away from that also because of high sugar. What kind of fruit do you eat? And I stay away from bananas too, even though...
What do you think of your chicken?
I thought it came out good.
You like it? So,
I don't say I like it just because I made it. So the last time I made it, I didn't like it. So
the last time gumawa siya nun, hindi siya
you told me
okay.
it was okay, but I didn't like it.
Hindi siya okay. It's too much lemon. Too much lemon. This time, it's okay. It's good. It's good. The chicken is good. It's just the breeding. It's, you know, I think it's all good. It's good if I have a white rice. But because I have Spanish rice, I have the cucumber salad, I have all that taste, and then the breeding is so taste, like a lot of taste, a lot of flavor. I said, I don't eat it. But the chicken is good. We're just going to watch a movie, and our Tommy will watch. I will play. Boring yung araw, guys. Tommy na sleepy. Okay, so we're gonna end the vlog because it's nothing going on, ah. Let's end the vlog lang. We're tayo. I love you. He's drunk eating the chicken. Anyway guys, good night. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching Tammy's video. Bye.